Hi everyone, it's Sharon with Sharon Sews. Today I'm going to share with you the contents of 2 mystery bundles that I just got from Fabric Mart Fabrics. I love the mystery bundles from Fabric Mart Fabrics. Whenever I place an order, I try and throw in a mystery bundle. It's a great way to build your stash. You just never know what you're going to get. Recently I placed an order with Fabric Mart because I wanted fabric to sew this dress. McCall's 8030. It's just a very simple summer dress. It's rayon twill on their website, and I thought this would be a very fun print for that dress. Now it does have a lot of green in it. I do like camel. I typically can't wear an army green, but I think it's dark enough of a green that I could get away with it. What do you think? I'm kind of liking it, and I love that it's almost a orchid purple in there, and of course black. Black goes with everything. So I placed an order for this fabric for the dress and for elastic. I was looking for 1.5 inch wide elastic, and I will share with you soon what the elastic was for. And I thought, well, I should get more to help pay for my $9.99 shipping, which is so silly because that shipping is very reasonable. So I checked to see if they had some mystery bundles, and they did. I actually ended up ordering 3 mystery bundles. One was 6 yards of a cotton fabric mystery bundle. Figured with all the masks I've been sewing, that might come in handy. The next one was a 15 yard, I believe. We'll see when we open it. Fashion fabric mystery bundle. And the other one was a mystery grab bag. So here's the box. I opened the box and I took out the elastic and the fabric that I just showed you, but I've not opened the packages. So we're going to discover together what I received. And we're going to start with the cotton bundle. And again, it's 6 yards of cotton fabric. And let's see what's in there. Okay, to start with, we have, oh, I need my glasses. This is tiny writing. 1.5 yards of a cotton. This is a very fun nautical print. There are shells in it. You know what, Jen, if you are watching, this reminds me of you so much. I could see you sewing something with this. This feels like a, it's got a little bit of a texture to it. I'm not sure if it's a seersucker or not. This is very cute, 1.5 yards. I was thinking I would make masks, but now I'm thinking I might make myself a little summer top. Next, we have 2 5/8 yards. That's a lot. A beautiful periwinkle blue and really nice feel to this. It feels like there might be a tiny bit of lycra in here. This is beautiful. So beautiful, I almost hate to use it for masks. A lot here, so I've got a lot of options on that one. Oh, and look at this. A beautiful white 3 yards. And that's 60 inches wide too. There's a lot of fabric here. It looks like a, it's not linen, but it's got a linen look to it. Guys, and look at, this is one thing that I love about Fabric Mart bundles, the mystery bundles. The last ones I've ordered, they all coordinate. Isn't that fabulous? So you can coordinate whatever it is you're going to sew with the bundle. That was the cotton bundle. Let's see what the next one is. The next bundle we're going to look at is the fashion fabric bundle, and this was 10 yards. Let's see what's in this one. Rip it open. Oh, this is a Liverpool Knit. I've been looking at this one on the website. So awesome. Okay, where's my little label? I don't know. So what have we got there? Let's see. 1, 2, about 2.5 yards. Love the colors. Love the knit. Liverpool Knit. Very fabulous. Oh, black. They must know I love black. Maybe they watch my YouTube channel. So even though I have a gold and not so black this year, probably gonna have to make something with black. So this is sheer. Oh, here's the label. I have 2 yards. I always struggle with what to use sheer fabrics. Not how to sew them, I know how to sew them, but what to make with them. So I will take suggestions. Please leave a comment below. I have 2 yards of this beautiful black sheer and what, 6 inches wide, I'm guessing? Love it. And an ITY knit. Yeah, that definitely feels like an ITY knit. That looks like a slightly off-white. Wow, there's a lot here. There's a lot here. I don't see the little tag. So I'm gonna guess, I've got this doubled, so 2. I'm gonna guess there's about 4 yards here. Again, it coordinates. Love it. Ooh, so this one's pretty fun. Let me get rid of this bag. This is almost, it's got almost like a, or just snake my nail. That's what happens when you can't go have your nails done because everything's closed. I'm not very good at doing it myself. 2 3/4 yards here. This is a very lightweight knit. It's beautiful. It's got a hint of purple and it's got some sparkle to it. I do love sparkle. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Again, you guys, suggestions. I struggle with how to, again, not how to sew shears, but what to sew with them. But I really like this. This is really pretty. I love sparkles. So that is my second mystery bundle. This one, I'd say it all coordinates except maybe not that one, but the rest of them all go together. Are you ready to see the next mystery grab bag? Oh, you know what I forgot to tell you? In addition to the mystery bundles, I ordered the mystery fabric of the day. It's $2 a yard. I bought 3 yards each. I bought a knit and a woven because, again, I'm just a sucker for those mysteries. So before I show you the mystery grab bag, you want to see what the mystery fabric of the day was, the day I ordered. I love this blue. It's a stretch satin. So that was my woven, and that was the mystery fabric of the day for the day that I placed my order. And then the knit mystery fabric of the day, again, it's black. It's black, and it's got sequins, I mean double, black and sparkle. They know me so well. And this is the knit. Oh, you know I'm gonna do something with this. I'm not sure exactly what. I have an idea. And you'll just have to subscribe and come on back and see what I make with it. So this was the mystery knit of the day I placed the order. And again, $2 a yard, and I ordered 3 yards. Now, the mystery grab bag. This was $15. There's a lot of miscellaneous stuff in there. I don't remember what the description was, but it basically said it's just odds and ends that they have in their store. Let's see what's there. Zippers. Ooh. Oh, you know, I did remember they mentioned that they were going to have some odds and ends that were from the Millie buyout. This is, help me out, I don't know what kind of elastic this would be. It's elastic and it's got like a silicone on the opposite side. Hot pink, quite a few yards of that. Trim, this looks like a home deck trim with like a burlap. I'm not going to use that. I actually am allergic to burlap, but pieces of trim. More invisible, yeah, more invisible zips. More zips, more zips, more zips. And more zippers, more zippers. I do like zippers. I like having what I need on hand. So I don't have to try and order it online or try and find something locally. Trim, 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 trim. Zippers, beautiful colors. I do like those colors. What is wrapped up here? Oh, whoops. Guess I shouldn't have unwrapped that. These are, oh, these are on their website. These are those little, I think you put them at the end of cording. Do you see little, can you see? I don't know what they are. If you know what they are, let me know. Buttons. I think this is from the Millie buyout. These are gold buttons. Gold, large gold beads. Again, I think that was from the Millie buyout. More gold. Oh, this is fabulous because I am low on buttons. More gold buttons and more gold buttons. And what do you think this was from? Do you think this was, I wonder if this would be decorative on a belt? Probably from the Millie buyout. More buttons, covered hot pink buttons. I have no idea what this is. It's wrapped in tape. I'm not going to take the tape off. It's green. Maybe it's bias tape. My goodness, there's a lot in here. This is it's an applique, I guess. Can you see it? Can you see the texture on it? Can you see the texture there? Wow, it just keeps coming. Little beads, big beads, and more beads. This is gonna be really fun. Buttons, more of the gold buttons. Button, button, button. Oh, a lot of these. I'm guessing these are felt buckle? I don't know what they are, but I can make a use out of them. I've already got some ideas here. That would be very fun. Goodness, just keeps coming. Got some large beads, the ones I spilled out. These are loose in there, so these must be beads. There. Pink star beads, wrap therapy pattern, and a, what's it called? A sweatshirt jacket, and another pattern. Who knew? That was fun. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in the mystery bundle as much as I enjoyed opening it and wondering what I'm going to do with all of these fabulous finds. I'll link below where you can find a mystery bundle on Fabric Mart Fabrics. Remember, they don't always have bundles available, but it doesn't hurt to check every once in a while. And of course, they're not their mystery. Yeah, it is mystery. Their mystery fabric of the day. I would love to hear if you've purchased bundles, what you've gotten, and if you tried the mystery fabric of the day. Until next time, I'm Sharon with Sharon Sews. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Be sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet so that you see future videos. And until next time, have a blessed day and happy sewing. So I put 2 mystery bundles in my basket. 1 mystery bundle of cottons, 1 of fashion fabrics, and 1, I don't remember.